The Supreme Court has reserved its decision on petitions challenging the nationwide use of bulldozers to demolish structures. The court emphasized that religious structures, whether temples or dargahs, cannot obstruct public roads, and encroachments on public land will not be tolerated. A bench of Justice B.R. Gavai and K.V. Vishwanathan reaffirmed that India is a secular country and will issue guidelines applicable to all citizens, regardless of religion. Illegal constructions by Hindus, Muslims, or other will be addressed under the same rules. The court extended its interim stay on bulldozer demolitions, which was originally issued on September 17th. Justice Gavai clarified that demolition should not be carried out solely because someone is accused or convicted of a crime. He added that public order takes precedence, and any structure built illegally on public roads, water bodies, or railway land will be demolished. The court noted that 4 to 5 lakh demolitions occur annually, though only small percentage make headlines, which often lead to controversy. The term bulldozer justice was ironically referenced by Justice Gavai, alluding to the controversial use of bulldozers as punishment for accused individuals. In the case of sexual abuse involving 2 minor kindergarten students in Badlapur, Thane district, the Bombay High Court rejected the anticipatory bail pleas of school's chairman and secretary. Meanwhile, a double-judge bench of the court comprising Justice Revati Mohte Dire and Justice Prithviraj Chavan heard a suo motu petition. Advocate General Birendra Saraf informed the court that 2 charge sheets were filed on September 16th and 21. The first charge sheet involves the deceased accused and the school's headmistress, while the second is against the absconding trustees. Justice Chavan questioned why the police, known for their efforts in tracing suspects, had not yet located the trustees, asking if they were waiting for them to get bail. Saraf responded that efforts are ongoing to trace them. The victim's lawyer expressed concern that the family had not been kept informed about the investigation or provided the charge sheets. The court directed that the charge sheet be given to the victims, and the next hearing is set for October 23rd. Senior Congress leader Jagdish Titler, accused in the Pulbangash Gurdwara violence case related to the 1984 Anti-Sikh riots, has received a major setback from the High Court. The Delhi High Court has refused to put any stay on the ongoing trial in the trial court for the time being. Justice Manoj Kumar Ohri's bench directed Titler's lawyer Arvind Nigam to file the statements of witnesses. The High Court will hear the petition filed against the trial court's order of framing charges on November 29th. Jagdish Titler's lawyer said that the trial court's order of framing charges is illegal. He said that Jagdish Titler is being harassed in this 4-decade-old case. There is no other accused except Titler. He said that there is no solid evidence against Jagdish Titler, so that charges can be framed. Let us tell you, on August 30th, the Rouse Avenue Court gave a setback to Jagdish Titler and ordered to frame charges against him. The court had ordered to frame charges against Jagdish Titler under Section 147, 149, 153A, 188, 109, 295, 380, 302 of the Indian Penal Code, after which Titler denied the charges against him and said that he would face the trial. In a landmark ruling regarding a love jihad case in Bareilly, the court has sentenced Mohammad Alim to life imprisonment and imposed a fine of ₹1 lakh. His father received a 2-year sentence, and the court declared Alim's marriage to the victim, which took place in temple, as illegal. During the proceedings, Additional Session Judge Ravi Kumar Devakar criticized love jihad and illegal conversion, stating that such actions threaten India's unity and sovereignty. The court expressed concern about a potential conspiracy, suggesting foreign funding might be involved, linking it to countries like Pakistan and Bangladesh. The case involved a student from Devariya Palia who was deceived by Alim, who initially presented himself as Anand. He tricked her into believing they were married by performing rituals, then took her to a friend's room where he raped her and filmed the act for blackmail. As a result of their encounters, the girl became pregnant. When she discovered Alim's true identity, his family pressured her into converting and arranged for an abortion. The Allahabad High Court has delivered good news for aspiring teachers who have completed their 12th grade. The court has reserved a state government order that raised the eligibility requirement for admissions to the 2-year DLED training course at the District and Training Institute in Uttar Pradesh from intermediate to graduation. The court invalidated the portion of the September 9th government order that made this change. The court argued that under normal circumstances, a candidate from a private university could qualify as an assistant teacher in 3 years, but the new requirements would extend to the 5 years. The judges deemed the state government's decision unconstitutional, arbitrary and discriminatory, violating the rights to equality under Article 14 of the Constitution. Justice Manish Kumar issued this ruling while hearing a petition filed by Yashan Khandelwal and 9 others. The court stated that the admission process would continue until December 12th, allowing the petitioner to participate. The petitioners argued that the new order would unfairly disadvantage certain candidates seeking admission to the DLED course, especially since the eligibility for a special course within it remains at the intermediate level. They also noted that the candidates enrolled in a private university can complete their graduation through distance learning while pursuing the 2-year course, enabling them to qualify for assistant teacher position in 3 years. In contrast, the state government system would waste 2 years of candidates' time. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi is facing a new defamation case over his controversial remarks about Veer Savarkar. Additional Judicial Magistrate Dipali Parimal in Nasik has issued summons against him under defamation and international insult laws. This case stems from a November 2022 press conference in Hingoli, where Gandhi made a derogatory statements about Savarkar, leading the complaint director of a private institute to argue that Gandhi intentionally sought to damage Savarkar's reputation. The complaint cited that Gandhi's assertion that Savarkar is the Jinnah of BJP and RSS as defamatory. He also alleged that Gandhi claimed Savarkar prayed for release from British rule with folded hand and promised to assist the British government. After reviewing the petitioner's argument and evidence, the court found Gandhi's statement against a patriot to be a prima facie defamatory and determined there was enough evidence to proceed with the case. Watch our special programs and share the videos to stay updated with the daily court proceedings.